Now, in today's session, we're going to look at Finatrack Global Ltd. Now, this is going to be a quick overview of what we offer, a bit about our history, and also some key offers which we are currently providing within the Kenyan market in relation to vehicle security. And my name is Joseph Mungi, and I'm the Managing Director of Finatrack Global Ltd.
My good name is Isaac Sawanga. And what I've come to realize lately is that many people, when they hear about GPS tracking system, they think of only to protect their vehicle or asset doing with the theft. But today, remain glued as we're going to unpack more doing with GPS tracking system under the courtesy of Finatrack Global Ltd.
Yes. Yeah. So a brief history about ourselves.
Sure.
The company was registered in the year 2017.
Yeah.
And since then, we've been able to provide vehicle tracking services to over 1,000 individual and corporate vehicle owners.
Sure.
So these solutions have been key in enhancing the security and also efficiency of managing their vehicles.
Yeah.
And in some instances, it has also provided an opportunity for people and businesses to better grow their businesses and reduce the risks in two main ways.
Sure.
Now, the first way is access to capital.
Yeah.
So you find in the event you need a secured loan for your vehicle, or rather using your vehicle or purchasing your vehicle on loan, you find that you need a certified tracking system.
Sure.
So we're able to provide this, and also our clients are able to get access to quality loans from banks and other microfinance institutions within the Kenyan market.
Sure.
Yes.
For the loyal viewers, keep the conversation going, and for the new viewers, remember to subscribe, at the same time to hit the notification bell, so that when we upload another segment, you'll be in position to know. So for the benefit of the good viewers,
Yes.
It could be fair enough now you elaborate more on what are some of the product that Finatrack Global Ltd offers.
Okay.
Yeah.
We offer a couple of products,
Sure.
all in relation to security.
Yeah.
However, we mainly focus on vehicle security.
Sure.
So the first solution is GPS tracking. Now, these are solutions which entail either wired or wireless gadgets,
Sure.
which help the vehicle owner or other related parties track the real-time location of the vehicle using a mobile phone application or web browser application, and also have the ability to have additional information,
Sure.
such as historical movements, get alerts, reports, and also in some instances have the ability to switch off the vehicle remotely using their phone. Now, that's for the GPS trackers.
Yeah.
And next, we also offer telematics solutions.
Sure.
So these are basically more advanced systems which incorporate the GPS tracking component and also access to additional information, either in relation to the vehicle or the driver. So when it comes to the vehicle, you can have additional sensors such as fuel level sensors, which help the vehicle owner get real-time information about the fuel consumption, refueling, siphoning, and the general consumption of the fuel within the vehicle. Next, you can have driver behavior information.
Yeah.
This entails things such as harsh acceleration, harsh driving, harsh braking, harsh turning. Even in the event maybe the vehicle rolls, you're able to get such alerts. So for the telematic systems, this offer the additional benefit of additional information over and above the location-based information. Then we offer tracking tags. Now, these are more advanced and new features when it comes to monitoring. Since historically, the standard GPS trackers always relied on a SIM card connectivity for them to transmit this data. However, now with the tracking tags, you find that you're able to rely on something new referred to as Bluetooth low energy. Now with this, you don't need a SIM card within that tracking gadget.
Sure.
The tracking gadget picks or rather updates location based on surrounding Bluetooth devices, even on motion, and they don't need to be paired with the devices. So once it taps in that there's a nearby Bluetooth product or device, it uploads the location in real time, meaning one can be able to see the real time location and also run the historical location. So these are small tracking tags which are ideal for both large assets such as vehicles and small assets such as purses, bags, and luggages.
Sure.
Now then finally, we have now the alarm systems which are standard wired gadgets which offer the sirens for the vehicles, and also the ability to have a cut-off system to disconnect the power within the vehicle. So that's an additional layer of security for the vehicle owners. And when it comes to homes and businesses, there we provide them with smart cameras, which help them also monitor the surroundings using their mobile phone application, and also get alerts such as motion detection in real time.
Yeah.
Yes.
You have talked about the tracking tag, just to take you back. When it comes now to a powering system,
Yes.
as we know very well, for the GPS, it depends on a powering system.
Yes.
For that one, for the wired one,
Yes,
it will
yes.
depend for the power system of the vehicle. At the same time, for the wireless, it has an inbuilt battery.
Yes.
So my question is, do a tracking tag has a powering system, or do
Yes.
it depend on the powering system?
So the way they works for the tracking tags, they have the inbuilt batteries.
Yeah.
So like for the ones which you currently have, the batteries run up to 3 years.
Yeah.
And these are non-replaceable batteries.
Sure.
Now, once it's activated, you can be able to save on the battery power by switching it off when you don't need it.
Yeah.
But if it runs continuously, it can run continuously for 3 years, offering you seamless tracking for the 3-year period.
Sure.
Yes.
Actually, that is a long period. And now the big question.
Yes.
The big question now. Today's big question is now. And I'm starting with an example.
Yes.
You find that, and I'm now ringing down now to a shop.
Yes.
When someone needs to start a shop, maybe an agrovet shop.
Yes.
His or her target clients are the farmers mostly.
Yes.
Now, coming now to the Finatrack Global Ltd, what are the exact clients now for Finatrack Global Ltd?
Okay.
Yeah.
Our client base is mainly categorized into two main categories.
Sure.
The first category, we have business-to-business relationship.
Yeah.
Is the asset finance corporations.
Sure.
So you find our key target market is corporations offering asset-based loans, such as when individuals need to purchase vehicles or when they want to use the vehicles as a security for their loans. We also provide tracking for other financial service providers, such as insurance companies.
Sure.
So for comprehensive insurance, you find that the insurance clients usually enjoy lower theft excess charges in the event they had a certified GPS tracking gadget.
Yeah.
Now, that's the first category of clients which you have. Then the other category is the commercial and private vehicle owners. Now, this is more of a business to consumer relationship which we have with them. And here, we're able to provide them with, first of all, peace of mind in knowing where the vehicles are at any particular time.
Sure.
And also enhanced security, where we offer access to quicker recoveries in the event of theft or if their vehicles are misplaced. And also operations enhancement in terms of, let's say you want to make sure you're in control of your fuel consumption at any particular time. So you get the additional features for the telematics. You want to make sure your drivers are managing your vehicles properly. Now you get the driver behavior analytics. And also, in the event that you want to take corrective measures, you switch off the vehicle remotely using your mobile phone application. So you can say those are the broad categories of clients which you have: asset finance and insurance companies, and the commercial vehicle owners and the private vehicle owners.
Okay.
And also, when I say vehicle, it's actually supposed to be motor owners, because in that category, we also serve motorcycles.
Sure.
Yes.
Oh, for the motorcycle.
Yes.
Yeah, and many people now, in terms of numbers, many people have motorcycles compared to the vehicles. You see? So, you have talked about now the clients.
Yes.
My question is coming here now. Do the price vary considering the client?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, the price usually varies.
Yeah.
For example, for the asset finance, you find there are more responsibilities involved in that.
Yeah.
For such a tracking system, for the asset finance, we offer access to different parties. So the first party, of course, is the Asset Finance Corporation.
Sure.
And for which we give them access to all the vehicles within their database. And the next person who we give access to is the individual vehicle owner, who we must give access and support when it comes to tracking their own vehicle. And also, in the event of recovery measures, we are also required to share the real-time location with the repossessing or the debt recovery service providers for
Sure.
the asset finance
Yeah.
corporation. So you might find now the subscription fees for such a device is higher than when a client wants tracking for their own personal use.
I
Yes.
like it. Yeah. Now back now to the price. We have talked about the services that a product, not just the services, the product that Finatrack Global Limited offers. So it could be fair enough for the benefit of the viewers, loyal viewers, and also more so for the good of the new viewers to share the prices of the products.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for the standard tracking,
Sure.
this entails now for the private and commercial vehicle owners.
Yeah.
So you can get the wired tracker
Sure.
for one-off fee of 15,000 Kenya shillings,
Sure.
inclusive of installation. And all you need to do on your end is top up the airtime. There's also a subscription plan where you can pay 10,000 Kenya shillings for installation,
Sure.
and you don't have to top up any airtime. And our staff from the office are able to manage for you the system. And for this, you pay an annual fee of 3,000 Kenya shillings.
Yeah.
Now, for the wireless trackers, these go for a one-off fee of 15,000 Kenya shillings each.
Sure.
And also the tracking tags go for a one-off fee of 15,000 Kenya shillings. Now, when it comes to the motorcycles, them we offer the subscription tracking at an installation fee of 7,500
Sure.
and an annual fee of 2,500. And if they want it on a lifetime basis, we charge them 11,000 Kenya shillings, inclusive of installation.
Okay.
Yes.
I think they have understand about that one.
Yeah.
So this is a very important question. Many organizations they partner with other organizations for this in a mutual partnership.
Yes.
For the good of the growth of their business.
Yes.
Do Finatrack Global Limited has some other partnership doing with their doing with their business? Yeah.
Our main partnerships are in technical capacity,
Sure.
where we partner with technicians throughout the country to ensure reliable support and installations
Sure.
at the convenience of the customers. So you might find that maybe a customer is far away from Nairobi and they need to be supported.
Sure.
So we usually partner with qualified technicians with all over the country to ensure that we have quick installations and seamless support.
Actually, that is
Yes.
a good answer. Actually, if at all that maybe you are outside Nairobi, then don't worry about getting our services here in Finatrack Global Limited, because we have trained technician, not just technician, but trained technician. So as we end up this conversation,
Yes.
back now to when I started by saying that many people, when they hear about GPS tracking system,
Yes.
they think of maybe it's all about protecting their asset or their vehicle from theft. Do a GPS tracking system over other services in terms of not only just the theft issues?
Yeah. It's not just about theft.
Sure.
You find, first of all,
Yeah.
is you having the ability
Sure.
to manage your vehicles remotely without the need of you being there. So
Sure.
that's an additional added advantage.
Yeah.
Next is also peace of mind,
Sure.
which can't be quantified monetarily.
Yeah.
But the peace of mind is in knowing I can be able to verify how my vehicle has been operated, where
Sure.
it is right now,
Yeah.
and also have a layer of additional control by remotely switching it off. So over and above that, you also now have the additional benefits such as savings when it comes to theft excess in insurance, and also access to financing in the event you need to use your vehicle as collateral for getting a loan.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you for showing up. And for the viewers, Manze, the GPS tracking system is not only just about a theft issue, but also to have that peace of mind. And if at all maybe you want to visit our physical shop, we are located along Mombasa Road here in Nairobi, Vision Plaza, first floor, room number 2. At the same time, you can call our office number, that is 0723645810. Same way, same time, we have our online shop, that is www.finatrack.co.ke. Remember to stay safe and protected. Until next time.
Okay, thank you.